And why am I talking about this is because you need to understand what cap rates you should be running your numbers at. Okay, so this is the facility that we picked up last year. It's in Blairsville, Georgia. Let me just pull that up. Okay, all right. So you guys should be able to see the facility. This is what we look. This is what it looks like when I picked it up. So let me see. So if I zoom out, you'll be able to see where we bought this. This is so Mission Self Storage is our brand for the facility. So you can see as we zoom out where it's at. So it's north of Atlanta. It's in the Smoky Mountains is where it's at, kind of. Is this the Smoky Mountains? And then here's Chattanooga, here's Knoxville. Probably about, I mean, honestly, it's about an hour from Chattanooga. It's about an hour to an hour and a half. It's about an hour and a half from Atlanta, or another about hour and a half from Knoxville. So it's kind of right in the middle of the mountains, okay? So would you consider this area right here primary, secondary, or tertiary market? Put it into the chat so I can see what everybody thinks. Primary market obviously is like a big city, it's like, and even the suburbs of a big city. If you're secondary market, then you're in like towns, towns that are in the middle of your state. All right. And tertiary market is like, in the country. All right. So I'm seeing a lot of tertiary. Yeah, tertiary. Good. Okay. Yeah, so it's in the middle of nowhere. But the truth is if you know anything about the Atlanta market, or if you know anything about Georgia, you know that this whole area right here is just booming. It's booming. Okay. So you can see here that the 575 comes out of Atlanta. We lived in Jasper, that's where we lived. And then it turns into the 515 right at Jasper. And then you take the 515 kind of up and it goes into Hiawassee. This area is actually gorgeous, beautiful up here. So I highly recommend going and visiting, get a little cabin in the woods. And so you can see, yeah, see, like here's a little cabins that you could get in the woods, super nice. But so Blairsville, so we're right in between Blue Ridge and Blairsville. We're not quite in Blairsville, but the address is Blairsville, okay? And you can see there's a big lake right here. There's a big lake right here. There's a lot of boat and RV parking in this area. And there's honestly a lot of storage in this area. In this area, there is a lot of growth in this area. And I think the percentage was like upwards of 5% growth in the last couple of years. And the reason why is because everybody's just trying to get out of Atlanta because Atlanta is just too much. It's too much with Atlanta, right? So like especially Canton to Ball Ground to Jasper, about right at this line right here. It really is honestly like super built out. It's getting to be really, really built out. And then as you get past Jasper, it gets to be a little bit more deserted. And the why am I talking about this is because you need to understand what cap rates you should be running your numbers at when you're looking at your facilities. You have to know what the market cap rate is. If you don't know what the market cap rate is, what you could do too is just go on to like Crexi, and you could look at what other like brokers are using for their cap rates when they run their numbers, and when they put their deals out on Crexi. But if you want to know kind of where you should be running your numbers at, this is not an 8 cap. I mean, honestly, there's really not a lot of deals out there that are 8 caps. Back in the day when I first started getting into storage, you could actually get deals at 8 or 10 or 12 caps. But you can't really do that right now. I mean, there's still that kind of that gap between like what the owner wants and then like what the market calls for and then what the buyer's going to pay for it. So, You just can't get eight caps right. It's a hard. I mean, honestly, we are calling every owner out there, and they're just really stingy on their prices. So this is not an eight cap. This could be like a seven cap area. We ran our numbers at a seven cap in this area, and then obviously, if you get closer to Atlanta, you're coming into from like south of LJ over here, all this area right here. This is going to be more of like maybe a 6.5 cap, maybe set you six cap. I mean, this area definitely up in this area is like a six cap, and maybe even be a five cap. Like Canton could be upwards of a five cap. I mean, you just imagine. I mean, if you bought something, Canton has like the 3-story storage facilities and stuff, and then it kind of phases out. So it's really good to just kind of know your market and understand, what type of commercial buildings are there, so that you know what cap rate you should be renting out. Okay.
Hey everybody, this is Stacy here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am here to teach you how to get your foot into this industry. You're watching this video because you want to learn how to get started in self-storage investing, or maybe you own facilities and you want to be a better manager, a better owner. That is what I do, is I teach people how to do that. So please like this video and also subscribe, hit the subscribe button, because that's what YouTube wants. So in order for me to get out the word on how to get started in this industry, I really need your help. Again, I appreciate you listening to me, and I'm here to help you on this journey, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.